everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to add a payment method in the MoonPay app step by step. First, start by opening the MoonPay app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now on the home screen, tap your profile icon or go into the settings menu at the top right. This is where you manage account and payment options. Here, look at this option called payment methods and tap on it. You'll get options such as credit or debit card or other local payment options depending on your reason. If you choose card, enter your card number, expiry date and CVV. If you choose bank transfer, MoonPay will guide you to link your bank details. And after you choose, MoonPay may ask you to complete a verification step like a small test charge on your card or confirming your bank transfer. Follow the instructions to finish verification. Once verified, your new payment method will show up under payment methods. You can now use it to buy crypto instantly. And that's it. That's how you add a payment method in the MoonPay app. Quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.